Do you know the fish called the sea chickenfish? This fascinating fish lives in coral reef habitats in the ocean. It has a special ability to survive in both extremely cold and hot water temperatures. Not only is it incredibly tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients. When you look at it, the Sri Lankan fishmonger is known for its high-quality preparation and the unique method of cleaning this fish in less than a minute. It's truly considered a gourmet catch. The sea chickenfish is a top-tier fish in the world of seafood.
Buat variasi yang tiro kapal din nako.